Learn with Manju. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for God, H for horse, I for ice cream, J for jug, K for kite, L for lion, M for mango, N for nurse, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rat, S for sheep, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for violin, W for woman, X for xylophone, Y for yak, Z for zebra,